Minutes, we're going to look at an experiment which investigates how light can affect plant hormones. The effect of light on seedlings can be demonstrated with mustard or cress seeds in the following steps. Step 1, you'd place the seeds in a petri dish with a damp cotton wool and leave them in a warm place to germinate. Step 2, you would randomly divide the petri dishes into 3 groups, assigning each group one of the following light conditions. Group 1 would be in full sunlight in a windowsill, Group 2 would be in darkness, and Group 3 would be in partial light. Step 3. Measure the height of the plants daily for a whole week. And Step 4. So you draw and label biological drawings to show the effects that you see. Step 5. The independent variable is the lighting conditions. The dependent variable is the growth of the plant. Phototropisms can be demonstrated by placing the seedling in a container that is open only on one side. And this is because the light would go in this one side and the plant would grow towards the light. So let's go over the steps in the experiment to investigate the effect of light on seedlings. Number 1, you would randomly divide the petri dishes into 3 groups in 3 different light conditions: full sunlight, darkness, and partial light. Place the seeds in petri dishes with damp cotton wool and leave them in a warm place to germinate. Then measure the height of the plants daily for a week and then draw and label the biological drawings. So the 3 conditions in experiment are darkness, full light, and partial light. So let's explore the uses of plant hormones. People use plant hormones to control the growth of plants for agricultural and horticultural purposes. So agricultural refers to farming and horticultural refers to things in the garden. Gibberellins are used to promote flowering, to increase fruit size and also to start seed germination. Auxins are used as weed killers as they can initiate rapid growth. This means that the weeds will grow up so quickly that they'll use up all of their resources and then they'll die. Auxins are also used as rooting powders, which is a growth supplement, and to promote growth in tissue culture. Ethene is used in the food industry to control the ripening of fruit during storage and transport. So let's look at those plant hormones again. Auxins are used as weed killers, as rooting powders, and to promote growth in tissue culture. Ethene is used to control fruit ripening. Gibberellins are used to promote flowering, to increase fruit size, and to initiate seed germination. And the way that auxin works as a weed killer is they make a weed grow really quickly, so they use up all of their resources and then they die.